Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a huge penny list for this week at Dollar General, plus we have some surprise pennies that y'all need to be on the lookout for. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I did upload a video yesterday on Sunday going over all of the new Dollar General digital coupons. We had over 100 digital coupons plus 7 new glitches, so if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new penny list for this week at Dollar General. Now this week we do not have any new clearance markdowns as of right now. Of course, if anything changes, you guys will be the first to know. But the good news is we do have a penny list for this week, and these prices will begin starting on Tuesday, February the 7th. And of course, always remember that we do not ask employees about penny items. All you have to do to go penny shopping is to go into your Dollar General starting on Tuesday, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app, and make sure that you have your correct store location set. If they scan at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Alright, so first up on our penny list for this week, we have our New Year's party supplies. Now, I have yet to find any of these items at any of my stores. Otherwise, I would have included pictures for you all, but just be on the lookout for paper plates, bowls, and other New Year's party themed supplies. Alright, next up on our penny list for this week, we have all of our Christmas items going down to just 1 penny. So first up, we've got our Christmas seasonal category. Of course, there are exclusions with this category. You want to be on the lookout for those red price tags. And I have included just a couple visuals just to kind of jog your all's memory. But again, remember that I put together those Christmas visual videos for you all. There's just 3 of them, but all of the categories are included, and there are a lot of items in there that the employees might not think are Christmas items. And the next category that's going to be included, we have our Christmas home decor items. So you guys want to be on the lookout for those green price tags. And again, check out your NCI stores. Make sure that you go up and down that NCI aisle on both sides, because you just never know what you're going to find. All right, next up, we have our Christmas pet category. And really this year, I'm not even sure why they put a Christmas pet category together, because I've only been able to find this one item for this category so far. All right, next up, we have our Christmas stationery and book category going down to just 1 penny. So you guys want to be on the lookout for those holiday themed plates, bowls, cups, and napkins. And remember, in last week's video, I showed you guys that somebody actually found a pack of the Dixie bowls from last year, and those are already a penny. So those are still a penny from last year. So be on the lookout for those as well. And then you want to be on the lookout for these coloring books as well. You may have a big display at your store, but these coloring books may also be mixed in with the regular coloring book section. Alright, for our next category, we have our Christmas apparel. So you want to be on the lookout for those holiday themed socks, the holiday leggings, and the holiday pajama sets. Alright, for our next category, we have our Christmas baking items going down to just 1 penny. Now, there are a lot of items in this category that employees might not think are included with our Christmas clearance markdowns. So you really want to be on the lookout for these. Alright, next up, we have our Christmas candy category also included, and we'll be marking down to just 1 penny starting on Tuesday. And again, this is another category where we have some items that employees probably won't think that are included with our Christmas clearance markdowns. Alright, next up, we also have our Christmas air care items going down to just 1 penny. Now, I know that these items are probably going to be the hardest to find, but it is possible, because last year I was finding these well after they pennied out. So you guys definitely want to check out your end caps and that regular air care section. And if you get lucky enough to find one of the air wicks, don't forget that we still have that digital coupon that you can use for overage. Alright, and last but not least, we have our Christmas gift sets going down to just 1 penny. Remember, these are not all of the purple tagged gift sets. We have only select ones. So we have those nail files, we have the face mask gift sets, we have 1 pack of the lip balms, and some hand soap. So be on the lookout for those. And of course, if you guys are looking for more Christmas items that will be a penny starting on Tuesday, make sure that you go back and check out my Christmas clearance visual videos part 1, 2, and 3. Maybe there's something something specific that you're looking for that you need a UPC code for, or maybe you just want to refresh your memory before you go out shopping on Tuesday. All 3 of those videos will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below, as well as my 25-cent Christmas clearance haul video. So make sure that you go and check those out if you haven't already. Alright guys, now next up we're going to talk about some surprise pennies. So this is a huge, your miles may vary, but I know that several of you guys have already scored huge on these last week. Now these surprise pennies have just kind of been trickling in over time, and of course if you guys find anything that I haven't included in this video, if you want to send it in, my email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can send it to me over on Instagram. It is at crazycoupons, and all that information will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I do want to go ahead and tell you all that I have included the UPC code for each of these products. So what you want to do is put these UPC codes in your app, check the stores around you, and see what the price is pulling up. If it's showing 000 or 001, that means that it's already pennied out, and you need to head to the store and see if they still have some on the shelf. If not, if they're still ringing up full price, I would suggest that you guys save these UPC codes or come back and watch the video and check those UPC codes on Sundays and Mondays. It looks like all of the dairy and the freezer and the refrigerated section, all of those tend to penny out on Sundays or Mondays. Alright, so first up we have the Coffee Mate Hazelnut Liquid Coffee Creamer 32-ounce bottles. Then we have the Light and Fit Non-Fat Gluten-Free Strawberry Cheesecake Greek Yogurt. We also have the Okios 000 Strawberry Greek Yogurts. Then we also have the Lando Lakes Yogurt Low-Fat Blended Peach 6-ounce cups. Then we also have the Laughing Cow Spreadable Cheese Wedges 2-count. Then we also have the Nesquik Strawberry Low-Fat Milk 14-ounce bottles, as well as the Nesquik Chocolate Low-Fat Milk 14-ounce bottles. And then we also have the Power Protein Nesquik Strawberry Milk 14-ounce bottles. And then we also have the Nestle Sensations Cinnamon Toast Crunch Nestle Flavored Milk. Alright, next up we've got the Miss Grissom's Chicken Salad Select 12 ounces. And then we also have the 3-count Mini Babybel Cheese. Then we also have several of the cheese sticks to be on the lookout for. I'm not sure if you say this Frigo or Frijo, but it's Cheese Heads Sharp Cheddar and Beef Sticks, as well as the Colby Jack and Turkey Sticks. Both of those are 8 count. We also have the Kraft Mild Cheddar Big Cheese Snack 2-ounce pack. Then we also have the Kraft Colby and Monterey Jack Big Cheese Snack 2-ounce. Then we also have the Kraft Pepper Jack Big Cheese Snack Bar. And then we have the Borden Provolone Cheese Slices, 6 ounces. Next up, and I know everybody's going to be looking for these, we have the Velveeta Cheese Slices, 16 count. And then we also have the Velveeta Sharp Cheddar Slices, 12 ounce. And then we also have the Velveeta Shredded Cheese, 8-ounce bags. Alright, and moving right along, we have the Kraft Shredded Cheese. So we have the Mild Cheddar Finely Shredded Cheese, 8-ounce bag. We have the Colby and Monterey Jack Finely Shredded Cheese, 8-ounce bag. We also have the Sharp Cheddar Shredded Cheese 8-ounce bag, as well as the Shredded Mexican Style 4-cheese blend 8-ounce bags. Alright, and last but not least, we have the Eckrich Smoky Maple Lynx 8.3-ounce packs. Now again, those were all of the surprise pennies that people started finding last week. Now I checked a few of my stores, and at some of them they are still full price. So we really have to just keep an eye on them, and as soon as they penny out, you need to run to the store and see what they still have on the shelf. Alright, now here are a few more Eckrich products that we need to talk about. So these were actually sent out in a memo, and it is being reported that these have already pennied out at some stores. So again, just double check your UPC codes before you run. So first up, we have the Eckrich Ham and Cheese 14-ounce packs. Next up, we have the Eckrich Non-Red Rind 14-ounce bologna, as well as the Eckrich Regular Cut bologna 14 ounces. Next up, we have the Eckrich Meat Franks 14 ounces. Now, I'm not sure if this is the correct picture or not, but it's really the only thing that made sense. So I put it on there, but again, just make sure that you scan. And then we have the Eckrich Cheese Franks 12 ounce. Now, here's the picture that they have on the app, and it is just a regular brown box. So I did a little digging online, and this is the only one that makes sense. So it's basically just like little cheese hot dogs. And then we also have the Eckrich Cotto Salami 12-ounce packs, as well as the Eckrich Thick Cut Bologna 14-ounce packs. Alright guys, so there you have it for all of our surprise pennies so far. Now remember that these may already be a penny at your store, or they may still be full price. So you definitely want to double check those UPC codes with your Dollar General app before you run out. That way you're not wasting any gas or anything like that. And don't forget that if these items are still showing up full price in your DG app, make sure that you go back and check them on Sunday, Mondays, and I would also check on Tuesdays as well. You can either save these screenshots into your phone, make yourself a little list, or you can save these items in your list or in your cart on your DG app. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you all good luck with your penny shopping this week. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.